everyone, and welcome to today's Qigong practice. Today's video, it's all about opening the body, releasing the stress and tension, and letting go. If you have a lot going on, whether it's work, relationship, or your health, and you feel that tension building up, try these exercises to connect with yourself, restore the physical and emotional balance, lift the mood, and simply feel good. Go ahead and get ready, and let's begin. Stand up straight, soften your knees, and relax your whole body. Begin by rubbing your hands together for about 30 seconds until you begin to feel a pleasant warmth. Relax your hands by the side. The first movement is a simple side turn. Shift your weight to one leg and raise one foot up as you turn. Then guide your hands to gently knock on the lower back and the abdomen. Breathe normally. Continue for 1 minute. Next, take a nice deep inhale in through the nose, exhale out through the mouth. Do this 4 times. The next movement is a simple spinal twist stretch. Interlock your fingers and raise the hands up. Inhale and turn to the side. Exhale and slowly turn to the other side. Do this 4 times on each side. When you're finished, relax the hands down and focus on the sensations in the body, especially the neck and shoulders. Next, take a nice deep inhale through the nose and place both hands behind your head. Inhale and lean gently to one side. You don't have to lean far to get a good side stretch. Only go as far as you can breathe without straining. Do this 4 times on each side. When you're finished, relax your hands down and notice how your body feels. The next movement promotes deep breathing and increases blood flow up and down the spine and into the head, so we stay focused and sharp. Take a nice deep inhale in through the nose, exhale out through the mouth, and swing both hands to one side. Inhale in and raise up, exhale out and down. Repeat 4 times on each side. If your back is sensitive or you're recovering from an injury, do not bend forward lower than your waist. When you're finished, relax your hands down and notice how your body feels. The next movement is called climbing the rope and is very good for releasing stress, anger, and negative emotions. Take a nice deep inhale in through the nose, exhale out through the mouth. Pull the hands down as if you're climbing the rope. Inhale again and reach up, exhale out through the mouth. Repeat this 8 times. If you're new to breathing practices, stay easy with your breath. Nice deep inhale through the nose and easy long exhale out through the mouth. When you're finished, relax your hands down and notice how your body feels, especially the neck and shoulders. If you feel lightheaded due to a high oxygen intake, gently tap your head for a few seconds. Then relax your whole body. For the next movement, place both hands in front of the abdomen, palms facing down. Take a big inhale through the nose and raise the hands up. Exhale out through the mouth and relax down. Do this 4 times. Nice deep inhale as you go up. Easy long exhale down. Next, inhale in through the nose, bend your knees and lean back, opening the front of the body. Then exhale out and lean forward, palms facing down. Inhale and slowly raise up. Exhale out through the sides. Do this 4 times. If your back is sensitive, do not bend forward lower than your waist, and let your breath guide you, gently and softly. When you're finished, relax your hands down and notice how your body feels. The next exercise is designed to release the muscle tension and shake off stress. Take a big inhale and move your shoulders to your ears as you come up on your toes. exhale out and gently drop the shoulders down. Repeat this 4 times. When you're finished, shake off your arms and legs to the side. Relax the whole body. To finish this routine, take a nice deep inhale in through the nose and easy long exhale down in the center, releasing and relaxing. Do this 3 times. Then relax your hands by the sides and take a moment to notice how your body feels. Thanks for joining me. I hope you feel better, and I'll see you next time.